Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for your Fathoms account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Fathoms account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in fathom.video and make a search. The official page of Fathom will appear on the screen. Click on Sign Up for Free option. On the next page, you can sign up for your Fathoms account through Google or Microsoft account. Tap on any one of the options. Now enter your email address and tap on Next. Click on the box to verify that you are not a robot. Enter your password and click on Next. Tap on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Now tap on Continue. On the next page, scroll down and tap on Continue once again. This is how you can sign up for your Fathoms account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.